Dexa.
My best friend's there.
Canadian Pacific. O yan yung old na train natin. So we're here.
My best friend's there.
Where are we, Dexa?
Heritage Park! Thomas and friends! My best friend here. Thomas is my
Oh,
best friend.
grabe. Hindi daw siya nakatulog, Daddy.
Because I keep on waking up every 1 minute.
Sobrang excited ni Dexa. Heritage Park, ayan na. Spring vibe na ang Calgary.
Daming jacket.
Yeah. Maganda dito kasi hindi ganun ka busy din pati.
You have reached your destination.
Yay!
Tingnan natin yung favorite spot natin.
Daddy, favorite spot daw. Hindi na tayo dinaan ni Daddy dito.
Oh, dahil nag-relax.
Oh, yung ganda dyan.
There's a baby on that!
Ang ganda dyan.
Look! Mama, there's a baby on that bike.
Saan?
There's a baby on
Oh,
that
yeah. Oh, ganda pala dyan.
There's a baby on that bike.
I know, Dexa. So, titingin muna si Daddy dito kung saan siya pwede makapag-park. Ayan, so, naghahanap kami ng park. Ayan na yung Heritage Park. Excited na si Dexa.
Why are we passing private property though?
Eh, dadaan lang ah.
Tingnan natin dito yung bibilhin natin.
Private boat parking. Bili daw si
Ano ba yung
Daddy.
bibilhin natin? Mamili ka na na.
O, mamili ka, Dexa. Saan gusto mo dito?
Nakasale yan ngayon na. Mamili ka dyan. Ito,
Binabayaran din ata nila yung mga parking dito
Yeah.
eh, yearly.
Itong
Yeah.
yate na to na. Alam dyan. Gusto mo na.
Texi, anong gusto mo dyan? Texi.
That one.
Pwede ka pa. May bahay sa loob yan
The
na.
one that have Happy Adventure.
Yeah.
Pag,
Yan, oo.
pag nasa McDonald's ka, dyan na lang tayo. Pasok tayo dyan, oh. Yan yung mga white dragon.
Happy Adventure.
White
Oh,
dragon.
it's Happy Adventure, that one. The blue one with, with the flag.
namili
The
na
blue
siya.
one.
The blue one.
Namili
The
na
blue
siya.
one with the flag. Happy Adventure. It says Happy Adventure on the side.
Grabe
bago
naman
yan.
gulong nito. Ang liit.
Saan?
Parang hindi mo na may travel. Yan, oh.
Eh, ganun lang talaga naman ng ano niya.
Hindi, paano mo may long drive yan?
Ay, oo nga.
Oh, di ba?
No, ba't ang liit
Parang
naman?
yan.
Hindi, ganun din yung iba eh.
Hindi malaki yung iba.
Oh. Hindi, may...
That one is so big.
Ayan, summer lease. Oh.
Wow, ganda dito. Tapos dito nila idadaong, no? Nung last na visit natin dito, yun yung may festival sila.
Yeah.
Meron silang ano, wala ngayon. Wow! So dito muna kami saglit.
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine.
While nagpa-park si Daddy.
I'm gonna go under there because there's no bug.
Dexa, mahulog ka dyan! Dexa! Ha? Uy, ang sarap ng kayak nila dun, oh. Meron din dito, oh, naglayag. Parang maganda yung water dito, Dexy.
Well, today.
Yeah.
Sometimes
Oh, yeah! Remember nung pumunta tayo, no?
yeah, it wasn't that well.
Oh, I know.
Last time we went, it wasn't that well.
Yeah. Dexa, mahulog ka dyan. Yan, ang ganda din na ang view dito. Yan, si Dexa nandun na. Oh, nag-photo op si Dexa. Nagustuhan niyang view. Cancun na ba to, Dexa? Cancun vibe? Oh, yan. Gusto niya daw. So, yan. So, after namin doon, nagmuni-muni. Dito na kami sa area na to. Ayan, ang Heritage Park here in Calgary. Okay. Tatawid tayo. ka, Dexa! Admission. So, mahaba yung pila. Medyo late na nga tayo, Dexy, eh, no? 12 na eh. So, i-ready lang natin yung ating ticket. On the way out. Ito pala yung bus nila. May bus sila. Yeah, pick up. Bus, pick up. Maaga kasi mga iba dito eh. Kanina pa sila. Anong oras ba ito nag-open? Di ba nag-open naman siya ng 9? Welcome! Sabi niya, Dexa, welcome, Dexa! Yeah. Yeah. Yung face niya. Okay, before going there, do you want to go here? Oo. Ate wants the cool car, Daddy. Before going there, to check the activities. Okay, go inside na kayo. Oh, nag-drinks na si Dexa. Thank you, ate. It's open? Yeah, okay. Kala ko din close eh kasi ang dilim. Okay, let's go inside. Sorry. Showroom sa baba. Hindi namin nakita to last time eh. Let's see. Okay, let's go. Go, go, go. Oh, marami pang makikita pala dito. It's different one. Yeah. Oh. Maganda din pala dito sa baba. Wow. Hi! Yeah. Wow. Wow. Okay. Stay here, okay? Mommy will see this one. Gusto mo ng ganyang kulay, Dexy? Yung kulay niya. Ito naman yung mga ibang old. Yan. So, puno pala to ng mga vintage na mga car, no? Ito din, oh. Ano to mga to? Oh. Yeah. Oh, may mga time. Ito din, 39.
Yo, these are before you guys were born, right?
Yes.
Older than
70s.
you guys? These are
Yes. Kasi 1928.
Mom, these are older than
I know. Walang harang man lang. Kung may ibon na dadaan dyan. No, nabangga ka na.
you.
Shell na ba talaga yung ala niya? Ayan o.
Shell is like a long-standing. Like it's like Ford. Ford's also old.
Yes.
1929 Ford.
Oh, Ford. Ang Ford talaga pala, matagal na talagang company na gumagawa ng mga Ford Model AA. Grabe, no? Oo, ito din.
Like they're
Yung lagayan. Wow. Oh, yan. Barrel pa siya, no? Binabarrel pa nila, no?
Calgary. Usually is alcohol.
Oh,
Alcohol.
parang akala ko coffee.
Coffee.
Yeah. Yan, oh, barrel ang dala naman niya. Ata yung nakita natin dun sa taas dati. Hindi ba yan? Yung parang... Oh, yeah, camper van.
This is what it would look like if you're going out for vacation.
Oh. Oh, yeah. Hinahatak niya? Mahatak ba niya yan? Siguro iba naman yung panghatak nila. Tingnan mo yung mga gamit nila noon.
Chess.
Tapos mga naamoy ko pa yung luma eh. Naamoy ko yung luma.
Before you guys were.
Yeah. Yung kalumaan niya, inaamoy ko pa. Pinaserve nila, no? Yun yung loob niya.
But how did they get it?
Eh, syempre, pre-serve nila nga. Eh, they get it, siguro yung mga, dinonate nila yung iba, just to,
The older people.
yeah, the older people donated this one para
Yeah, but how did
ma-preserve,
how
ganun.
did they get all the stuff so organized?
Eh, syempre, inorganize na ng,
No,
ano.
but some of them are abandoned. So how will they?
Hindi naman abandoned to, nandun yan sa mga garage nila. So, might as well donate it, sabi nila, para... Eh, syempre, nilinis Dexa, Ang dami tanong ni Dexa. Ang dami niya nag-wonder ang kanyang mind.
Look inside. There's
Yeah.
a dog. It's not a big dog. No, it's a plushie.
Flashy. Ayan pa, ito yung mga luggage nung unang panahon, Dexy. Ganito yung mga luggage nila. Ganyan siya.
That's how dog luggages are.
Attache case.
That's how dog luggages are.
Yeah. Sports.
Is that the type of luggage you guys call it?
Yeah.
Then how would you?
Parang may memory ako na ganito yung luggage ni Tatang. Pag bumupunta siya ng Manila nun. Yeah. I know. Grabe no. Old things. Okay, dito naman na tayo. Ikot na tayo guys. Pag ganyan naman tayo. So, isa to sa mga pwede nyong makita pagka merong activity like the Thomas the Train, which is once a year nga lang to dito sa Calgary. Pumupunta to. Idaan nyo na din yung mga bata dito.
That.
Oh?
Yeah, this drum thing, and then this is like a bison skin.
Skin ng bison.
You, when you're with this, these two go together, and then you have to like circle it around to make the spirit, and then you start banging it lightly. They don't make music in the olden days.
Oh.
That's how they did music. They were,
Oh.
and then these are Blackfoot shoes.
Oh.
So they made these out of bison fur too.
Oh. Daming alam si Dexa. At si Dexa, ang daming alam, Dexy. Ha?
And then,
Mm.
Mama, and then the bones of a bison, they use it for baby toys to chew for. Because it's chewy.
Oh, ganun ba yun?
Yeah.
Oh, dami palang history na alam si Dexa. Okay, one more thing.
This is a horn. You use this horn to make music too. If you get the horn and then you
Paparap! Ganon.
yeah.
That's nice information,
And this
Dexa.
is bison bones.
Yeah. Okay. Oo nga, hindi nila niya minumove to eh. Dito na talaga siya sa museum. Oh, hindi na din...
Mama, this is the
Oh, sa bagay, yung makina niya. Yeah,
Yan ang mga parts.
true. Oh, pwede ata magpa-party dito eh. Tingnan mo to. Party area ata to eh. Education partner. Oh, grabe naman to. Old. Abandoned. I know. Di na lang nila in-improve. Kasi to, pininturahan mga to eh. Pinakinis.
Sinasyan niya.
Oo.
Lagi mo may punasan.
Okay. Okay, that's all. Let's go upstairs. Thank you. Dito naman to sa main floor. Yeah. True. So, yan. Ang daming cars din dito sa main floor. Iba-ibang kind ng gasoline eh, no? Yun nga lang, din nila nilagay dito kung anong year mga to. Yung mga... Saan? Oh, ito. Oh, yeah. 1914 naman ito.
Where?
Iba kasi wala. Ayun, 1914.
Where does it say?
O, pahanap mo sa kanya, Daddy. So, parang tinanggal nila dito yung ata yung iba. Or else sa kabila yun. O, inayos din nila. Full pack to dati, di ba? Parang sobrang sikip. Yan siya. Oo nga, inayos nila. Full pack to dati. Yeah. Want to take some photo here, guys?
hunt down bison.
How?
So, you know the hill? There's a hill, and then there's the end of the hill. And then when the bison cross that hill, the indigenous people are hiding behind their things. And then when they get down the hill, when they're going down the hill, they catch them
Oh. Pero bakit nila kinukuha yung mga bison?
for food. And no, because bisons are their skin is used for clothes. Their
Ito,
hair is used for-
yung pinag-uusapan natin, ito, Dexa. Yan. That's the bison, right? Oh, clothes and foods. Ito, ginagawa nila steak.
Yeah, clothes, food,
Stick,
and
ginawa nilang
toys. Clothes, food, and toys to chew for babies.
Oh, ganun ba? Wow, dami alam si Dexa. Competition and climate change. Oh, tinatanggal mo na. Smell bad naman na pag tinanggal mo.
See, that's
Oh, that's so cute. That's the true skin. Saan? Oh, yun nga yung sinasabi mo.
yeah. I said they use it for clothes. See,
Oh,
the
yeah.
bison skin.
Paano naman kita ang bakit mo?
Well, that's how they live.
Clean it with its skin, it dries its skin.
Oh, yun lang.
They live like that.
At yung mga real fruit today,
Ito din, ah.
expensive talaga.
Ang museum na ang itsura nito. Oo nga, minug nga nila yung mga iba dito. I saw that yung parang camping ano na yan. Dito yan dati-dati. Oo. Yun sa videos ko. Ito lang hindi naata ng move. Itong isa. Yan. Oh, napasok na yung bata. I don't know. I don't know if you can. Ah, okay. So gusto mong ano dyan, magpa-picture? After no. Dexa, come here. Dexa. Here. Here, oh. Oh, sige. Ano na story nito? Oh. Ano story niya? The Bison Family.
Oh yeah, the bison.
Hindi.
The only type of bison I think is the regular bison. So the only type of bison they kill is this bison.
Oh, ganun ba?
They mostly kill this bison. I think they mostly kill this bison.
Mhm.
I think that's the regular bison.
Oh, Diyos ko. Tumakbo na! Ayan na siya, Dexa! Thomas is there! Dito ka. Here, para makita mo mabuti. Dexa! There's Thomas! Did you have a photo with Thomas? Hi! Wow! Nag-wave pa si Dexa. Nakita natin si Thomas, Dexa. Okay. Why? Did you record?
Yeah, it takes 49 seconds.
Ni-record mo pala. Okay, let's go to the activities. So, what time yan? 12:41. Hindi na napigilan si Dexa. Ayun. Tumakbo yung kapatid mo. O, yan. Ang sabi ko sa'yo, nagpipiknik na sila eh. Tingnan natin kung ano naman ang activity nila today. Yeah, thank you. Doon ka ate? What? Doon ka ba? Thank you. ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, you did this one before. Ayaw mo? O, sige, dito ka. Dito ka din.
Like, I was at the video.
Mhm. Okay. Kuhanan mo daw siya. Natanggal. Yan lang? Okay ka na? Okay. Check mo yung mga nandito if you like. Here. Kung pang babies, wag na. But you can take a photo here too. Wow. You color, okay?
The ones people scribble.
Mm-hmm. Dexa, you want me to take your photo there? So you want here? Okay, sige, dito ka. Walang activity here ngayon. So, let's see muna, hanapin natin si ate and daddy muna. Mamaya ka dito. Hanapin muna natin si daddy and ate. Yeah. Bang pila. May umiyak na bata. Ano ba yan? Pancho. Eco bag. O meron silang ganito. Gusto mo ganito? Ha? I don't know. O doon sa mga toys ka din. Pili ka sa mga toys.
You know what? I think we should maybe go pick Dad.
Ah, doon. Tingin ka. Mga sunglasses. Oh yeah, they have straw, Dexa. They have crazy straw. Hindi siya interesado. Hindi siya interesado. Doon sa gitna. Marami dun sa gitna, Dexa. O, ano naman yan? Oh. Oh, here sa kabila. Sa kabila ka. Wow. Nasaan yung eyeglasses mo? Okay. Thomas bucket hat. Dexa. May bucket hat pala siya, oh. Dexa. Bucket hat. Thomas. Yan, oh. Gusto mo? No? Dito ka sa gitna.
Baby.
Oo. Maganda nga din yung ganito yung damit niya next time eh. Hindi ka na problema. Yan, oh. Eto, come here. Mamili ka ng isang t-shirt mo next year. Ito isuot mo. Mag-shorts ka. Tsaka yan. What do you like? Yeah, para yan ang isusuot mo next year pagpunta natin dito. Come on. What do you like? There are the designs, anak ko. O, pili ka na. Hindi na. Doon, natitingin ka na lang doon. The blue one? Oh, saan blue one? Yung may car siya? Yung may birthday party nakalagay?
No.
Ito yan, oh.
No.
what you want. What design you want? Thomas and Friends. 2 for kids.
No, let's do a lion. Everybody, hands up we go. If a lion,
Ata, mas maganda to, Nana. Makulay siya. Pakita mo kay ate. Ang cute kasi makulay. Toto din, o sabi kasi makulay siya. Ganda niya. Oh, puno na siya. Patingin ulit. Ito yung mga price here. Yeah. You want to see it? Hold a second. That's color blue. Thank you. Wow. Butterfly. Sumakay na. Hindi na mapakali. Huwag masyado, Dad. Baka bumaliktad anak mo. Ooh. Okay, no worries. Yeah. So, ito yung area na to na pwede maglaro yung mga bata. Amusement. So, nandun yung carousel. Tapos, pinapila ko si Dexy doon. Ayan na si Dexa. Enjoy, baby! There's Dexa! Hi, Dexa! Hi! You're done!
I have no idea. Amy told me to ask you or Megan what's going.
Okay, let's go.
What's going on?
We're done! Anong order mo? Cotton candy! You want to see Thomas again? Yan po yung dalawa. Oh, wala na to. Nahiga na siya. Ayan ang snacks.
If I could just dump this all over me.
Nagbabaan na yung mga 2:30. So 3 p.m. yung time namin. Okay, be. Kasi mainit. It's hot. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Ayan na. Yes. Okay, thank you. Okay, it's time to go.
Okay, we'll just put that right down.
Yeah.
Can you put it there? Say thank you.
Yeah, go to daddy. Go to daddy, ate. Yeah, yeah. Go. Sorry. It's okay. So we're going na. Enjoy! Daddy, ay ate. Ging na ang train. Thank you. Stickers for Dexa.
Like this.
Yeah, this one, sticker mo siya. Ayun, oh.
I can do it later.
Okay. Gawin mo sa bahay.
This is the best gift ever.
Yeah, That's the best trip? Wow! Best trip ever! Tama-tama na sa bintana yung mga bata. Sarap ng nood nila, oh. Oh, ito yung entrance. Next, bumalik tayo sa entrance. Video din. Guys, wave your hand! Wave! Nandiyan pa ba yung stroller natin? Oh, nandun pa. We go around 2 more times.
3 full laps.
3 full laps. So, ganito yung loob ng train. Nasa harapan nga kami. Oh yeah. Yung kanilang uniform parang silang minions.
Like you.
Yeah. Like me daw minions. Yellow and this one. Wow. Oh, nakalayo sila mag-ina yun. Silang dalawa. Naglakad sila na naglakad. Grabe naman ikot ng mga tao dito, no? Kung saan sila nakakarating yung mga iba. Lip-lip na. Itong favorite ni Dex sa tingnan, no? Dexy, oh. Enjoy guys the view. Oh, ito yung old na Canadian Pacific.
It's big, but it's little. There's a cut.
Daily. Yeah. Oh, ang ganda dito. Ang ganda ng bulaklak, Dexy. Dito banda. Ganda ng bulaklak. Then dito yung ano na yon, yung cruise.
I'm gonna do that until
Susunod. Yan yung pila eh. One more.
One more go around.
Yeah, and then we will go to Thomas train. Magpa-picture ka, okay? One more. Tapos na ang Thomas the Train this year. Pa-picture mo na sila sa Thomas dun sa unahan. That's all for this year, Thomas! Say bye to Thomas na! Bye, Thomas!
Oh, Mama, I want to do this.
Ask ate kung paano nyo gawin. Natakot yung bata at sa mukha ni Thomas. Ang dami nagpapapicture dito. Okay, let's go! Ayan ang ginawa nila. Nag-picnic.
Look. I have an idea, guys. I'm gonna grab it.
Akala ko mahiga ka, Dexa.
Dexa,
Diyan ka.
before you do that, ew, look at your hands. Don't eat that.
Thomas! Kaya ang tao dito eh. Oh, grabe mga bata.
Way back sa atin.
Oo,
Tayo
ah.
ka na, tayo ka na. Para makita kaya, yan, ganun ka, yan.
Ayan. Oh, careful! Obla naman to. Obla naman si Dexa.
Tama ng iba, tama. Tamad na.
Inantok siguro kagaya nyo natulog kayo Dexy. O si Dexa hindi mapakali. Nagpaalam si Dexa na mag playground. Tingnan ko nga siya. So sarado pa to din. Hindi pa nila nilagay lahat. Dito pumunta si Dex. Kapasama kanina kaso lang nag-snacks muna ako. Railway playground. Dexa, let's go. Saan? Ano? Okay, crazy. Okay. Pa-crazy ka pa. What? Do I need to go up? Oh. Ay, saglit. Di pala pwede to. Kailangan kong pumasok. Where are you, Dexa? Dexa, ay yun. Ano, saan ka? Okay, go.
No, look at this one. It's so crazy. This makes you go all the way down. Come.
Okay, hold then.
It makes you go all the way down. It's so scary. Look.
Okay.
Look what?
I see ya. Oh my God. Okay, no.
They're wrecking it because it was gonna get.
Ganda ng pamphlet nila this year. Thomas and Friends Day Out. Party time.
Where's my shoes?
Ang ganda din pala ng view dito. Alerto sila to. O si Daddy. Sabi ko parang mainit na yung sa kanila. Kesa na ng sun ka ako. Okay, let's go. Hindi, mag-ice cream pa sila. Okay, tractor ride. Okay, maganda dito sa side na to or dito? Okay, sige. Okay. So, ito yung nakikita pag nag-tractor ride ka.
I don't believe you.
Sex na dito sa Stampede. Pwede din.
Hey, my shoes.
Dexa, tingnan mo yung mga horses. Dito nakakarating na itong pamilyang to. Oh, nagbabay si daddy niyo. Ayan, may horse dun, oh. Ang laking horse. Oh, tingnan niyo yung mga old houses, Dexa. Tingnan mo, oh. Oh, ito yung hawla nila dati, oh. Dito nila nilalagay yung mga chicken, ganun.
May ganyan si North.
May ganito sila nanang.
May ganyan si
Oh?
He showed me. Remember we went to.
Oh, yes.
He showed me before.
Oh, ganyan. Oh, lamig. Biglang lumamig. Biglang lumamig, guys. Biglang lumamig. I know. Lamig pa. Sobrang init kanina. Tinanggal ko din yung sweater ko eh. So, dadaan din dito.
And that tall double-layer building is the Livingston House. Mr. and Mrs. Livingston raised 14 kids in that house. I'll be able to see it on the outside.
Oh, 14 kids. Oh, really? Grabe naman. Nagparami talaga siya. 14. Ang bahay yun? Oh. Umikot siya. Oh, grabe din ang bahay niya yun, oh. Ayun, oh. Nilalagyan nila ng kung ano-ano. Next, tinan mo. Yung design pa nila. Ano ba? bayan. Diyos ko. Ayun o. Ay, lagyan nila yung design. May makakarating pa ba dyan?
I think we did Halloween.
Ang Halloween?
How does spider web?
Yeah, I know.